Chapter 5. Growing Food. Apart from air and water, food is the third essential thing required by all the living beings. Food helps the organisms grow. It gives them the energy to perform various activities. We get food from both plants and animals. Green plants are called the producers because they can produce their own food. They provide food to all the other living beings. The demand for food has increased with rapid increase in population. In order to provide food to such a large population, both regular production and proper storage of food are required. Farming in India. India is called an agricultural country. Around 70% of the population of India lives in villages. Agriculture is their main occupation. Subsistence farming. Small farmers barely manage to raise enough food to meet the needs of their family members. This type of farming that meets basic survival needs of people is called subsistence farming. A few farmers own land. Most of the farmers work on the lands of other big farmers on daily wages, or they are given pieces of land on rent or lease. If a farmer is unable to pay the rent, he has to give some part of the crop grown by him to the landlord. Commercial farming. Some farmers own large farmlands. They grow large quantities of food, crops, which they sell in the market. This type of farming, in which food is grown in surplus to sell in the market for profit, is called commercial farming. Mixed farming. Some farmers have very large fields that can be used to grow crops as well as rare animals like goats and cows. This is called mixed farming. Crop production. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, a crop of rice or paddy means that all the plants grown in the field are of rice. The climatic conditions in India vary from one place to another. Hence, a variety of crops are grown in different parts of the country. Types of crops. Different types of crops are grown in different seasons. According to seasons, there are three major types of crops grown in India: Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops. Kharif crops. The crops which are grown in the rainy season from June to September are called Kharif crops. For example, paddy, rice, groundnut, cotton, maize, soybean, etc. Rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter season from October to March are called Rabi crops. For example, wheat, pea, mustard, gram, linseed, etc. Zaid crops. The crops that are grown for a short period of time are called Zaid crops. They are grown between the harvest of the Rabi crops and the sowing of the Kharif crops. For example, seasonal fruits and vegetables like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, bitter gourd, pumpkin, etc.